Coffee steam on the window, painting clouds in the air. Golden leaves on the sidewalk, like they know you're not there. I unfold this quiet evening, like a page in a book. Every shadow in this cafe has your name when I look. And I don't know how to say all the words that slipped away, so I write them in the margins of this fading day. This is my autumn letter, written in the falling light. Every line a little prayer, drifting in tonight. If the wind should find you whispering through your door, tell you that I miss you now, and still a little more. In the rustling of November, in the chill of late September, can you hear my heart unfold? This autumn letter made of gold. There's a song in the background, soft guitar, gentle rain. Every note is a memory, every chord says your name. I trace circles on the table where your hand used to be. Funny how the empty spaces still remember you and me. And I don't know some unfamiliar star. Do you ever feel my echo in your quiet heart? This is my autumn letter, written in the fading light. Every word a little flame, flickering at night. If the moon should find you through your weary blind, hoping lays this fragile line gently on your mind. In the rustling of November, in the chill of late September, can you feel my longing there? This autumn letter in the air. Maybe we were seasons that ended far too soon. Maybe we were colors washed out by the moon. But I'll keep this gentle aching folded in my chest, like a leaf between the pages where our story rests. So I breathe you out in whispers, let the evening go. Still I write your name in steam upon the window. If the night should find you lonely like I am, may this autumn letter reach you, carried in my hands. This is my autumn letter, drifting through the city lights. Every line a quiet hope, healing in the night. If the dawn should find you standing by your door, may you feel a softer heart than the one before. In the last days of November, in the warmth we still remember, let the past fall like the leaves. This autumn letter finally breathes. Coffee's getting colder, but my heart feels light. Sign my name in silence, then I say goodnight.